Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Monday evening. I just decided to start vlogging, like start another weekly vlog. I was filming another video like throughout this week, but I decided to also film a vlog since you guys enjoy that a lot. I even, not gonna lie, those are like my favorite type of videos. Currently 9:11. I have a presentation tomorrow. Actually, my group is doing like a presentation tomorrow, so I have to prepare on that. Currently eating, this is dinner, spaghetti, obsessed. Morning guys, Tuesday morning. It rained a bit last night. I have a class at 11. You know, funny thing, I left my charger in school yesterday. I left school quite late. I left like around 6, maybe 5:40 something, 5:50, and I forgot my charger, and I'm really praying that I find it there. Like, I really hope I find my charger there and no one has touched it, otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. But anyway, I need to get dressed. I need to go eat breakfast and then head to school. Breakfast is nothing serious. I did show you guys how I made it last time. It's just the same, like oats, a cup of tea, because it's kind of cold and my nose is kind of blocked. Got back from school and I've already made like myself like snack. I want to just start reading. I have a bottle of water here, necessary, and I made myself some like mango with salt and cayenne pepper. It's like mango pili pili, but like the bougie version. So I just want to read currently. I'm super tired, super hot. I just want to take a shower, read, and then have an early night. I want to talk about something small. I thrifted these shirts a couple of days ago. I don't know if you guys know, but like printed shirts are in. Printed shirts are in, like the scarf print or animal print. They're really coming back. Be it leopard, be snake, zebra, giraffe. All those animal prints are in right now. So I did thrift. I was like coming back from school and then I picked up 2 shirts, which I can't wait to style. Honestly, cannot wait to style. Probably do a styling video with these. So the first one I got was like the animal print, regular, like the leopard print, which I've been dying to find one. It's just like a button up with like really cool like wooden style buttons. Very chic. I can't wait to style this. Very nice. And then the second one is more of like the scarf print, where it's like different fabrics or like different patterns in one. So it does have like the animal print kind of going on and these other stuff. It's like a bunch of colors, very rustic and very, I kind of have like video ideas. I think I should do like a styling video for you guys. Look at me go. Look at my thrifting streak go. But yeah, let me get down to business. I don't know why my eyes are running this morning. Good morning guys. Friday morning. I've been such a shitty vlogger this week, to be honest. My vlogging has been shit, but it's Friday. I have a cat in like the next hour. It's currently 6:54. At least my class on Friday ends like literally so early. So after class, I'm probably just gonna head over to my sister. I haven't seen my younger sister for the longest time. and she's been staying over there, so I have to go see her and hang out with her and my niece and nephew, of course. But I feel like I should come take a nap. I don't know how I'm feeling about that, but yeah, it's getting late and I'm feeling stuffed, like stuffy, and I don't know why. So I'm downstairs having breakfast. I'm using my phone to vlog, by the way. Camera's upstairs and I'm too lazy to go get it. What else is new? Anyway, I decided to have fruit for breakfast. I'm having like a bowl of mangoes and a banana and some water. That's fun. I'll probably grab grab breakfast later in the day, like around like 11, because that's when like my class ends. But for now, this is enough, and I feel like I'll be full with this and more energized, if that makes sense. Although I want tea. I haven't drunk tea like in a while. I should probably carry like a tea bag or two. Also, I picked my skin the other day, which was a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that, because now I have a scar. Like I told you guys, I scar the easiest. I now have a new scar. Hey guys, back from school, drinking my tea. I haven't drunk this tea in the longest time ever, so I decided to take it. I want to take a nap now. I don't know if I'm doing something later. I want to read, but I'm currently uploading a video, so I'm kind of like in limbo. So I think I'm just gonna go take a nap, because it's quite early. It's like 11 something. My class ended at like 10:50. I'm glad the week is over and I can do whatever I want.
That's how I do when you're looking on my hand, you know. I'm getting really tired, broken promises. Like this kind.
Hey guys, I'm currently picking my sister up from school. My niece from school.
Let me enter behind.
Somebody teaching you how to drive?
Ah. Shut up. Doctor, who I am, who I am, oh my.
We just got to Junction, guys. Got a pair of shoes. I got a pair of sunglasses, like the tortoise shell frames, really nice.
And I got Morphe lipstick by the shade Dominate. هل كم سعنا؟
Na drive كمان. Kata kinyonga. Mfukoni ni actor. Every time we see that. Ni Neymar mwingine. Dance for me one time. Neymar, what is it?
Amanda.
Saturday morning, I'm headed to Rivers with Dida to just go check out the sales, and one was supposed to go to the Korean fair, but I heard that it wasn't good, so the car is outside. I need to go.
Flat top, which makes it easy to vlog in the car.
I know! Guess who I have in this video with me? So I'm excited. Let's do it. So we're headed to Two Rivers, by the way. We're gonna film there and we'll show you guys when we get there. Today's Sunday morning actually. So yesterday when we went for like shopping and all that stuff, I went to Platform and I got a couple of things. Actually not a couple of things, just like 3 items. Pairs of jeans and a hoodie and like rings. That's all I got. I'm gonna show you guys later. That's it. I'm feeling like my head hurts. I don't know why. I feel so tired. I'm so tired. I was planning to go to the Korea fair on the weekend. Apparently it was a fail. The people who went, I wanted to go like on Saturday, but it started on Friday. So the people who went on Friday said that things weren't on sale, especially like the masks, which I was excited about, not gonna lie. You couldn't get them, and most of the other items, which was kind of not that great, but now what can we do, right? I thought it would fly, especially the way it was promoted. Wow, I was so excited. So I want to show you the couple of items that I got from Platform. I just got 3 items. Oh guys, I'm having such a bad headache. Anyway, the first thing I got was this cropped hoodie. Nothing special, to be honest. It's just like it has like the boat like neckline, and it's like cropped, as you can tell, and then it's got like long sleeves, and then it has a zipper at the arm. Like the arm opens up all the way, but that's unnecessary. I think it's like a very weird ass detail considering the zipper isn't any other color. Pair of jeans. All the items are from by Zara, by the way. This is Zara in a size medium, and then this is Zara jeans. I wear the size 34, which is like the size super small, X small. They are the Zara mom jeans. And what they look like is they're just a dark wash, and then they have buttons. They are high-waisted, by the way, and then they have like buttons, and then it has this cool like contrast side, like it has like a good contrast like side strip, which is so cool. And the fit is like mom jeans, like I said. Really great quality, by the way. Before you guys eat me alive that I'm not informative, the hoodie was $4.90. These jeans were $7.90, but I got them like 20% off, I think, off of that price. They're quite affordable, and these are $6.95. I've said that before, but this is what they look like. Mom jeans, very like these are so rigid and such good quality. And the next pair of jeans is the Zara basic denim wide-legged pants. They're very wide. These are like a medium wash. They're very wide-legged, and they look like palazzo pants, but they aren't. I think I've shown you guys a clip of me in them in the changing room, but I really like these ones. These are probably my favorite. I've been looking for like wide-legged jeans. So cool, especially like a pair of boots or something. I don't know. These are wide-legged. They're like boot cut, but like exaggerated boot cut. And they're long and they're nice. Now those are like the only items that I got. The final item I got was rings. I just got a set of, I did get this one and like the gold version. These are the silver ones. I don't know if you can tell. So they cover like 3 regular rings and 3 like midi rings, and I did get like the gold version of that as well. They went for $4.90 and I got them like 20% off of that, which was pretty cool. I've been looking for like dainty rings like this, like that don't have anything, just very thin and plain. They're good. These are good like for stacking and whatnot. I saw them and I was like, I had to get them. That's all I got, honestly, from the sale. I was expecting more, especially from LC Waikiki, and I didn't find anything. I don't know. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for this haul, for this video. I don't think I'm gonna vlog much today, so I might just as well end this video. I know it was a bit choppy and a bit weird. I don't even know when this is gonna go up, to be honest, but I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell button to be notified whenever I post, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.